Hi, Daddy. Tatum.
Huh?
You say hi to Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Um,
You want to tell Daddy your numbers?
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
10.
Now you do them.
1, 2, 3. Mommy?
4,
Mommy?
4.
Daddy?
You want Daddy? Can you give Daddy a kiss?
No. No, Daddy, please.
Show Daddy your ballet pajamas.
Huh?
Come show Daddy your ballet pajamas.
A ballet jump.
Show me ballet jump.
Huh?
Say ballet jump.
Ballet jump. Just ballet jump.
Ballet jump.
Uh-oh. Jump.
Tatum, what does a cow say?
Moo.
What does an elephant say? What does a frog say? What does a sheep say? What does a bird say? What does a chicken say? What does Sebastian say? You want to tell Daddy something?
Yeah.
What?
Daddy.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I want to be.
You am I jumping? You want to show Daddy your bicycle? Let's go show Daddy your bicycle.
Yeah.
Yeah? Say ballet jump.
Ballet.
Jump. Alright, go show Daddy your bicycle.
Yeah.
Here. Show Daddy how you ride it. Yeah, you have your shoes on. You have your shoes on.
Mommy.
You want a ballet jump or ride the bicycle?
Me. Me. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, mommy. Jump, 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 jump. Yay. Me.
Ow!
I see, mommy.
You can sit on it.
I see, mommy. I see. I see, mommy.
Here, baby, come sit. Here. Oh, there you go. Stay here.
I see, mommy.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What do you want to do, baby? You want to sit on it? Well, stand up. You got to sit on it. Stand up. Stand up. You want Mommy help you?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Me.
You want to sit right here?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit.
This is on. Please. Ah. Baby, mommy.
Okay. Okay, tell Daddy bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Daddy. We're about to have a fit. Tatum, can you tell Daddy bye-bye?
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Love you.
Bye,
See you soon.
son.
Blow him a kiss. Tatum, can you blow Daddy a kiss?
No.
What? Say mwah.
Meow.
Love you.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at her. Sit down. You little acrobat. Sit, Tatum. Put your bottom on the seat, please. Thank you.
I'm a mommy.
Okay. And say bye-bye.
Okay.
Love you. Watch her do it.
Bye, mommy.
Y'all done? Good girl. You want to go ballet jump?
Huh?
You want to go jump?